In this video, I am going to talk about the software that I personally use for creating my marketing content. And I am going to start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is software that you can use to write blog posts, to create a website, to do any type of email campaigns, to get ideas, to write YouTube video scripts. There is so many different things that you can use ChatGPT for. And I started using it about 4 months ago when I was using the free version, but that very quickly got bogged down due to all the users for the free version. So as soon as they had a $20 a month subscription, I signed up for that, and I no longer have the types of delays that you get with the free version. So keep that in mind. It is 20 bucks a month. It is money well spent. I use Pictory.ai. It is $19 or $39 a month, depending upon the number of videos that you want to create with it. Now, this is not software that you should be using to create your YouTube videos, because you want to create videos that are personable, that come from you, just like I'm talking in this video right now. However, what I do is in courses that I create and continuing education classes that I create, I will use Pictory.ai to create a video on a particular topic. So I was writing a CE class the other day, and so I used Pictory.ai to create different like 2 to 4 minute videos. One was on easements, one was on land use and development. And so it's just something different to break up a longer video or a training course. So I love that as well. Next up is Canva, canva.com. There is a free version, or 13 bucks a month, or 120 bucks a year. Now, I started off with the free version, and within a month I converted to the pro version for $120 a year, because there are things like removing a background from an image that you cannot do using the free version. So it is, again, money well spent. The next software platform is spyfu.com, and that is $39 a month. I use SpyFu for keyword research. I use it for SEO research, and I use it to research my competitors, and as well as to see what the top blog posts are for a particular keyword. So if I wanted to write a blog post for first-time homebuyers in Charlotte, North Carolina, I would go into SpyFu, and it would tell me what the top ranked blog post is and who my competition is for that particular blog post. It has some pretty incredible intelligence on competitors. I also use it to receive automated reports on some of my competitors on a monthly basis. And so that's super helpful as well, because I can see what keywords they've added that they're ranking for, as well as what keywords they're no longer ranking for. Next up is Keywords Everywhere, which is a plugin that you add to your Google Chrome browser. It costs $10 for 100,000 credits, and a credit is a search. So that means when I go to Google and I do a search for first-time home buyers, Charlotte, North Carolina, I will see how many people are searching for those keywords right below my search. And then I have the ability to turn it off if I'm not using it, so that I'm not wasting credits. All right, the next platform that we're going to use is YouTube. You can gain a lot of insight and intelligence by doing some competitive research on YouTube. So we're going to be talking about that. Answer the Public is another tool. It's either free or $9 a month. The free version limits the number of searches that you can do, but $9 a month is really nothing. And what I use that for is to search for questions that people are asking on a particular search term. So let's go back to first-time home buyers. So if I go to answerthepublic.com and I put in first-time home buyers, it is going to give me a list of all the questions that people are asking about being a first-time home buyer. How do I buy a house as a first-time home buyer? What type of credit score do I need as a first-time home buyer? Whatever the 100 questions are, or the number of questions that are listed, I can see the search volume for the ones that are ranking, And so I know then that I should create some content, whether that be a blog post or a video or a combination of both, to answer that particular question that somebody is searching for. And then lastly is Google My Profile, which used to be Google My Business. It is now changed. The new name is Google My Profile. Again, that's free, but I also use that in all of my marketing. And anytime I am publishing content that goes out to social media, I'm also publishing that on my Google My Profile page, because it's Google and it's top ranked, and I want people to quickly find my information and the search terms that I have out there. So that is it for the software that I use in marketing. I will see you in the next section.